Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. Pumpkin's Temple. In this video, we will try to install the Google Drive desktop app and learn how to set up it. First of all, go to the Google Drive website and download the setup from there. And it's about 177 MB, so it takes some time. Just wait for it. So if you don't know about the Google Drive desktop app, it's a kind of desktop client that will let you access the Google Drive files right on your file explorer. So once it's downloaded, you need to run the setup, and it will ask you if you want to create the shortcuts on desktop or start menu, and also shortcut for Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. So depending on your preferences, you can choose whatever you like it, and you can click on install. And once it gets installed, you just need to click on launch. It will launch the setup screen. You need to just click on get started and sign in with your Google account. If you have multiple Google account login in your PC, choose the one you want to connect. You can always add more accounts later. Once you're done signing, you can close the tab and go back to the desktop app. So it will set up your Google Drive. Now you need to choose which particular folder you want to back up on Google Drive. This folder will be used for syncing your files on Google Drive. So once you are done, you can also create a new folder. Since in this video we will create a new folder, so all the 4 files that we kept in this folder will go inside Google Drive automatically. So you just will put in the name of the folder and select it. Click on next, and once you are done, click on got it. It is just telling us that it will sync the files and folders, and also you can back it. Once done, you can also use the backup folder for photos and videos, so you can also create any folder you like, and just like the previous step, you can create a folder with a name just to make sure that it's not inside the subfolder of that folder. You need to create it in a separate location. So just choose a separate location, you create a folder and name it with something like, and once it's done, you can just select the folder. And this is how you have attached your folders to the Google Drive account. You just click on OK, and next you are all done. Your folders and your photos will be saved once you finish the setup. So your drive will be viewed. You can view your drive on your file explorer. When you just click on it, you will see your My Drive partition on File Explorer. You can go inside and you will see all the files inside your Google Drive. And once now, just click on Open Drive. So the Google Drive will now sync all your files inside the folder that you selected, and every time you put any new files or delete some files or make any changes inside those folders, it will be automatically synced. And also keep note that if you delete some files from the My Drive, then it will be reflected to your Google Drive. So before deleting a file, make sure you have a backup of it. how you set up the Google Drive in your PC. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.